again?
We got one more pull.
Go.
Yellow.
Let's do it. Let's make it count. This is the one to pop all the stuff on. Cool. Back into flare. Tanking connect. Same spot after. Brave. Next is a pure light jump. And then next we'll go to the center for Delta. Dimensional shift results. Range out. Get ready to go to your orb. Orb. Pure light jump.
Focus on me.
Middle for dimensional shift after this. And Fragor Maximus.
That's a new bit.
Ooh, 65.
65.7.
Every percentage point we do earlier is one less percentage point at the end.
Ooh.
Wow!
That's deep.
Right? Whoa.
What's going on?
I don't know.
Taste
He said
dance.
that under
No, it's on.
No, cast taste dance.
Oh, yeah. Alright. Mana burst.
Big heals on me. Big deep.
Yeah, your notification. We don't need you. Yeah, no, that was funky.
That last pull? Yeah.
Yeah, I did a toss and it didn't seem to pick up aggro right away. Oh, that 120k quadruple technical finish. So nice.
Yeah, I saw that.
That's why I love playing Dancer. Lowest personal DPS, highest
Six
single
figures.
number.
Yep.
I like how dancing is twice the potency or twice the damage of Bahamut and ogling someone.
Huh. Rack.
Stack up.
Big heal on me.
Ready for a Sifu stack? Sifu stack is go.
Yep.
What are you doing?
Pushing it to the limit.
Buddy stack.
Buddy stack? Alright, change to the north for Delta. Everyone else south. And then it'll be the healer passing prey to DPS.
Healers move.
Missionaries.
Mission. Okay, so.
There'll be a tank swap after this. Dimensional shift. Add.
Oh, big deeds.
One boss.
Nice.
Beats the boss. Pure light in the corner. This will be in the center for a dimensional shift. And then it'll be Eden's Gravity followed by Eden's Flare. Go ahead and do LB3 once we get it. Eden's Gravity coming. Back in for Eden's Flare. And then it'll be a tank split with beams, followed by a tank swap. Cardinal directions for pools. Followed by a normal delta attack.
In for
Bring
big
it in
heal.
for heal.
Watch your quadrant. Here comes the delta attack, normal delta. This will be a tank prey. So healers swap the tanks. I can't take both of them. I'm bull lighting.
Oh, Benny.
I got the res.
Dimensional shift, big damage.
In for big heal.
Adds. DPS in the box.
Okay.
Then it'll be a jump to the corner for pure light. Then it'll be into the center for dimensional shift.
I got the saddle.
After this is going to be Eden's Gravity for big damage. LB whenever. And then we stack in for Eden's Flare. Pop potions if you have them. Stack tight for Eden's Flare inside. And then this will be a Sifu stack after this. We'll do Regain first, and then we'll do a Sifu stack. There's Regain.
Okay.
Sifu stack. Big damage. After this will be a buddy stack. Just keep your rotation, just keep the mechanics. Buddy stack.
Okay.
Watch your position. After this will be a delta attack with tanks in the north, everyone else to the south.
It's big deeps.
Do the mechanics.
No,
still.
it's in rage. It's in rage. It's
Oh,
in
it's in
rage.
rage. Keep going. It's in rage.
Focus, focus.
Nice.
Nah.
Well done, everyone. Nicely done.
Congrats!
Woo!
That was clean.
I wouldn't call it clean. Everything from like
Like my rotation somewhere after the first